Greetings from Micro Hydrotechnic PVT Ltd. We take pride in our 30-plus years of expertise as India's premier hydraulic press manufacturer. Representing our advanced deep draw hydraulic press division, we specialize in the efficient production of concave metallic components for vital industries. Deep drawing involves shaping flat metal blanks into panels, vessels, shells, and more by applying substantial pressure with contoured dies. Our deep draw hydraulic presses revolutionize this process, offering safer and precise drawing through dynamically optimized hydraulic force control, programmable blank movement, and high customizability. Unlike traditional high-tonnage mechanical presses, our hydraulic presses provide flexibility without compromising safety. Crafted from premium-grade steel, featuring rapid die changeover systems and touchscreen PLCs, our rugged presses minimize tearing, wrinkling, and cracks in formed panels by regulating operational parameters. We offer customization options for automation levels, tonnage capacity, and bed sizes to meet specific production needs. Calling on leading manufacturers in automotive, aviation, medical, and allied industries to connect at +9 197174744831 or via email at sales@microhydrotechnic.co.in. Let's collaborate to deliver optimal deep draw presses that match your product quality and productivity expectations.